Good morning, guys. This is day 2 on Nature Measures the Dollar Tree pills. Yesterday, I made a video and I stepped on the scale. I believe I was 247.2 or 6 or something like that. This is day 2. I'm going to weigh myself, but a little bit what I did, I drank my meal replacement in the morning. I took the 3 pills. For snack, I did 1 boiled egg and I did strawberries. Lunch, I had 1 boiled egg and a toast. Another snack was I did a boiled egg and I did some vegetables, broccoli, cauliflower, celery. And then for dinner, I had some stir fry, and then I ate apple pie. So, and then I took 2 energy pills that burns fat, and then I drank water, apple cider vinegar. So let's see. It was day 2, so I don't know how much I'll be weighing, but let's find out right now. And it is 6:40 in the morning, June 4th, 2018. So let's find out what I'm weighing by doing all that on Nature Measure Dollar Tree pills. Okay. I know earlier I was saying like low battery. Okay. So it's saying 247.6. You guys. Okay. I'm gonna have to step off the scale and do it again. Because for some odd reason my scale was not getting it. So, oh my god. There we go. 247.6. So I didn't really gain anything. I mean, lose anything by eating a boiled egg all day, and vegetables, fruits. So, trying to tell you. But yeah, all right, guys. So that's my results from yesterday and today. Pretty much still the same weight, even when I did drink a lot of water. I was using the bathroom a lot. So I don't know. I'm going to do something different today. I'm going to come back on and I'm going to do something and I'm going to let you guys know. All right. Have a nice day.